How do you achieve this pattern in polymer clay? Now, this looks really complicated, but it's actually super simple and it is so satisfying to do. So I started by rolling out different colors of polymer clay. I've used white, I've used transparent, and I've used different blues as well. And then I cut them into equal size squares, and then I just laid them on top of each other until I had a block like this. I then took a steel ruler and I pushed it through all of those layers. So I did a cross in the middle, and then I went around the sides as well and pushed my steel ruler right the way through. And once I'd pushed it through, I then pushed those sides back together so it made the block again. Then it's time to turn that block on its side and begin to slice. So this is the best part of the whole process, and it's really satisfying to do, mainly because you don't know what kind of pattern you're going to get, and also every single piece is completely different. So it starts off that when you cut through the blue layers, you get more of the blue, and then when you move down the block, you might get more of the transparent and more of the white. And you just go through this process, just making the slices until all of your block has been sliced up. When you've got all your slices, you can then begin to decide what you're going to do. So you can just roll those slices out and then use your cutter to cut from them, or you could kind of layer them up and put those pieces onto a backing piece of Fimo. So if you cut your slices really thin, you might want to put them on some backing, but if you've done thick slices like I have, then you can just roll them out evenly and then use your cutter to cut out a shape. You then bake them in the oven, and you can add whatever findings you like to make them into jewelry. And this is the finished earrings I made.